Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've already got iOS 14 or newer. Now open the app library by swiping left past your last home screen. Once there, use the search bar to type an app name or tap a category folder to view grouped icons. Press and hold any app icon to show options. This begins the edit flow. Make sure to work from the app library itself rather than home screen folders so your changes affect organization efficiently and consistently. Once you've selected an app, press and hold until icons jiggle or the context menu appears. Choose Edit Home Screen to drag an app out to a home screen, or pick Remove from Home Screen to keep it only in the app library. To delete entirely, choose Delete App. When rearranging, drag an app over another to create or modify a folder. This helps when categories are too broad. Make sure to finish by tapping Done or pressing the home/gesture to stop jiggle mode. To finalize, hide entire home screen pages by entering Edit Home Screen, tapping the dots, then unchecking pages you want hidden. Once done, those apps remain accessible in the app library. If icons don't move or deletion fails, restart the iPhone and try again. Sometimes a brief reboot clears a UI hang. If an app appears missing, use the app library search or open the App Store to re-download from your purchases. This resolves offloading or accidental deletion quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.